In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into Klaviyo. We'll walk through this process step by step, so even if you're new to Klaviyo, you'll be able to follow along easily and understand what you're doing and why it matters. First, make sure you're logged into your Klaviyo account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main Klaviyo dashboard. This is the central hub where you can access all of your email marketing tools, reports, and customer data. Take a quick moment to confirm you're in the right account, especially if you manage multiple brands or stores. From the dashboard, look for the main navigation menu across the top or on the left side of the screen, depending on your layout. Find and click on the tab labeled Audience. This is where Klaviyo stores everything related to your contacts, including lists, segments, and individual profiles. Whenever you're working with subscribers or customers, you'll usually start here. Once you're in the audience section, click on Profiles. The Profiles area is essentially your master database of everyone in your account: active subscribers, leads, past customers, and even people who have unsubscribed or bounced in the past. It's a good place to get an overview of who is in your system and how they're interacting with your brand. Inside Profiles, you'll see an option to View Suppressed Profiles. Go ahead and click that. Suppressed profiles are contacts who should not receive emails from you. This could be because they unsubscribed, marked your emails as spam, or their email address bounced repeatedly. Klaviyo keeps them in your account for historical and reporting purposes, but it makes sure they don't get any new campaigns or flows. It's important to understand this distinction so you don't accidentally try to re-add people who have opted out. With the Suppressed Profiles view open, look for the Import button and click on it. This is the starting point for bringing new contact data into Klaviyo. From here, you'll be able to upload a file, such as a CSV exported from another platform, and map the columns in that file to fields in Klaviyo, like email address, first name, or phone number. As you import, double check that your data is clean and that you're only adding contacts who have given proper permission to be emailed. This helps maintain good deliverability and keeps you compliant with email regulations. And that's the core navigation you need to begin importing contacts into Klaviyo from the Suppressed Profiles